In today's fast-paced digital landscape, the power of artificial intelligence, AI, is undeniable. From revolutionizing industries to enhancing everyday experiences, AI has become an integral part of our lives. But did you know that AI can also be a lucrative source of income? In this video, we will explore 10 surprising ways to make money with AI tools in 2024. Get ready to discover fresh and actionable strategies that will not only pique your interest, but also inspire you to tap into the potential of AI for financial gain. Join us as we delve into the innovative world of AI and uncover the exciting opportunities it presents for those looking to monetize this cutting-edge technology. AI-powered freelancing. Are you a freelancer looking to level up your game and tap into the lucrative world of AI? Platforms like AI Freelancer are paving the way for individuals to offer specialized AI-related services to a global market. With the increasing demand for AI expertise across industries, such as healthcare, finance, and marketing, freelancers have a golden opportunity to showcase their skills and secure high-paying projects. To build a successful AI freelancing career, it's essential to stay updated on the latest AI trends, continuously upskill, and create a strong portfolio that highlights your capabilities. By leveraging AI tools and staying ahead of the curve, freelancers can unlock a world of possibilities and generate a steady income stream in this dynamic field. AI-driven content creation. Ever wondered how AI can revolutionize the way we create and monetize content? Tools like AI Copywriter Pro are empowering content creators to generate high-quality written content efficiently and effectively. AI-generated content is not only reshaping the landscape of SEO and marketing, but also opening up new avenues for monetization in various fields. By harnessing the power of AI for content creation, creators can streamline their workflow, produce engaging material at scale, and reach a wider audience. To maximize profitability, it's crucial to optimize AI content creation by fine-tuning algorithms, incorporating human creativity, and conducting regular performance evaluations. Embrace the future of content creation with AI and unlock endless possibilities for monetizing your creative endeavors. AI-powered stock trading. Curious about how AI algorithms are reshaping the landscape of stock trading and investment strategies? By harnessing the power of AI for data analysis and decision-making, traders can gain a competitive edge in the market. Platforms like AI Trader are revolutionizing the way traders approach stock trading by offering advanced features and real-time insights powered by AI technology. From predicting market trends to executing trades with precision, AI-driven stock trading provides a range of benefits for investors looking to optimize their portfolios. To succeed in AI-powered trading, it's essential to prioritize risk management, diversify investments, and leverage AI tools to maximize returns while minimizing potential losses. Stay ahead of the curve with AI-powered stock trading and unlock new opportunities for financial growth. AI-enhanced e-commerce. Looking to take your e-commerce business to the next level? AI tools offer a game-changing solution to enhance your online store and drive sales and revenue. By leveraging AI applications such as personalized product recommendations and customer service, e-commerce businesses can create tailored shopping experiences that resonate with customers on a deeper level. AI chatbots play a crucial role in boosting customer engagement and conversion rates by providing instant support and personalized assistance around the clock. To effectively integrate AI into e-commerce platforms, businesses should focus on data-driven decision-making, continuous optimization of AI algorithms, and seamless integration with existing systems. Embrace the power of AI in e-commerce to stay competitive, increase customer satisfaction, and drive sustainable growth in the digital marketplace. Before we get into the next topic, I wanted to take a moment to mention I am promoting a course called YouTube Mastery and Monetization. It's an excellent course if you want to learn about YouTube and how to make good money using YouTube. It also teaches how to operate your very own channel, even a faceless channel like I am doing right now. And you don't have to make videos to be successful on YouTube's platform. I have more information listed in the description below this video for those that may be interested. There is also a free webinar that goes into detail about the course. Now let's continue. AI-optimized marketing campaigns. Ready to supercharge your marketing efforts and boost your ROI? AI is the secret weapon that can revolutionize your campaigns for better targeting and results. Tools like AI Marketer empower marketers with data-driven strategies that optimize every aspect of their campaigns. By harnessing AI to analyze consumer behavior and trends, businesses can tailor their marketing messages to resonate with their target audience effectively. Personalized marketing, powered by AI insights, not only enhances customer engagement, but also boosts retention rates. To make the most of AI in marketing, focus on continuous learning, testing, and refining your strategies based on AI-generated insights. Embrace the future of marketing with AI and watch your campaigns soar to new heights of success. AI-driven healthcare solutions. Discover how AI tools are reshaping the healthcare industry and paving the way for innovative monetizable opportunities. From medical diagnosis to personalized treatment plans and telemedicine, AI applications are revolutionizing healthcare services by enhancing efficiency and accuracy. It's crucial to prioritize data security and privacy when implementing AI-driven solutions in healthcare to safeguard sensitive patient information. Monetizing healthcare AI innovations ethically and responsibly involves striking a balance between commercial interest and patient welfare. By leveraging AI in healthcare, providers can streamline processes, improve patient outcomes, and unlock new revenue streams while upholding ethical standards and data protection regulations. Embrace the potential of AI-driven healthcare solutions to drive positive change and create sustainable, monetizable opportunities in the ever-evolving healthcare landscape. AI-powered social media management. Unlock the potential of AI tools to revolutionize your social media management and drive engagement for your business. Platforms like Social AI offer a suite of features, including content scheduling, analytics, and audience targeting to streamline your social media tasks and maximize your reach. AI's impact on social media algorithms has transformed the way businesses can optimize their content for organic reach and audience engagement. By leveraging AI for influencer marketing and brand building on social platforms, businesses can identify key influencers, track performance metrics, and enhance their online presence effectively. Stay ahead of the curve by harnessing the power of AI in social media management to boost engagement, build brand loyalty, and achieve your business goals in the digital realm. AI-enabled customer support. Discover the game-changing benefits of AI-driven customer support solutions for businesses looking to enhance their revenue streams. AI chatbots such as AI Support Pro are revolutionizing customer service by efficiently handling queries and issues around the clock. The cost-effectiveness and scalability of AI customer support outshine traditional methods, allowing businesses to provide seamless and personalized assistance to customers at scale. Implementing AI support systems not only improves response times, but also boosts customer satisfaction and retention rates. By leveraging AI in customer support, businesses can streamline operations, reduce costs, and deliver exceptional service that sets them apart from the competition. Embrace the future of customer support with AI and watch your business thrive with satisfied and loyal customers. In this video, we've explored 8 surprising ways to make money with AI tools, from AI-powered freelancing to AI-driven stock trading. The potential of AI for income generation is limitless, offering innovative strategies to thrive in the digital economy. By harnessing the power of AI, you can unlock new opportunities, optimize your business operations, and maximize your revenue streams. Don't miss out on the chance to stay ahead of the curve and capitalize on the transformative capabilities of AI. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new or enjoyed the video, and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials on making money online. You can even stay on the channel and watch additional videos that interest you, as we have over 80 to choose from.